Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $10,000 with Google Ads and one affiliate offer. So basically one affiliate offer, low ticket or high ticket, using any platform out there to make $10,000 per month using Google Ads. As you can see here over on my screen, I made 3,550 euros with one affiliate offer in one day. But I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself so you can have results like this over here. As you can see, you can later come and follow me or reach out to me one-on-one on Instagram, right? But what is the most important thing? Let me show you over here how you can start having results with Google Ads cash cow machine. Now why I'm calling it so, because with Google Ads, if you have watched any of my previous videos, you would know that as a beginner, Google Ads is the best ad network out there. Why? Because you're looking for buyers, and it so happens to be that people are going to Google search, Google pay-per-click, right, to look for solutions to their pains and problems. And it so happens that when they're looking for that solutions or problems to their problems, your ad will show up in the exact time when someone is searching for that keyword or solution. So with Google Ads, before you even set up any of Google ad campaigns, Google search, right, you have to think like a sculptor. What is that? It means that the campaign is not done once you set it up. That's bare rock. So basically just a bare minimum rock. You now have to chip away, right? Add it by pruning your campaigns into the sculpture, right? So you have to have the right mindset when you're about to set up your first Google ad campaign to have results and to have sales. So what you have to do is here. But first of all, let me show you here, what are the profitable markets? If you want to have for free PDF on 72 profitable markets, then please, after watching this video and subscribing to my channel, shoot me the email or send me the message on social media, and I will send you for free 72 profitable markets that are proven to work. So as you know, health, wealth, and love. And under health, we have sub-niches where fitness, weight loss, paleo, cycling, disease, autoimmune, right? In dating, we have marriage, divorce, we have dating for men, dating for females, we have pregnancy, we have parenting, right? Those are sub-niches that are really proven to work. And in make money, we have business, we have real estate, we have marketing, we have cryptocurrency, finance, all of these, insurance, auto insurance, all of these niches and sub-niches. So those are proven to work. Now let's go back to Google Ads. How you can make money with Google Ads. Let me share here. The first thing is with Google Ads search, right? As you can see over here, when you're signing up into your Google Ad account, you go and click select a campaign type, and you don't choose anything else. You just choose search, right? Pay-per-click. So you click on that. And then what is the most important thing is the secrets of what to do before you set up any ad campaign. What to do previously, right? And this is this ad creation. The first thing is who, right? You need to have persona and market map. Now, if you want to have market map, I'm sharing this with my students and clients all the time. I'm giving them empathy map. It's really important to have the empathy map so you can understand your audience better. You can understand who you're promoting or marketing to and what kind of message you're going to put in front of them. And then another thing is problem, right? We need empathy map for that. Then we have desire, also empathy map, and action, which is your website, your landing page, your blog. This is how you make money online with Google and how you create the right ad, right? Who, problem, desire, action. Another thing that is really important is this ad creation, right? For example, in this case, I'm not sharing every secrets, but I'm sharing some of it. It's who. For example, for the magnesium deficient adults. So let's say a supplement I'm promoting on Google, right? The first thing is who. Then state out the problem, desire in third, and at the end, action, which can be call to action. Buy now, go to this link, landing page or blog, right? But you have to follow strictly this method if you want to have results, if you want to have profitable Google Ads campaign and affiliate sales. So what you can do next if you want to have results, if you want to make your first $10,000 in a month as a beginner with ClickBank or any other affiliate network out there and having sales, right? Consistent, sustainable results over time, then what you can do is click the links below this video and you can reach me out one-on-one after watching. And you can reach me on Instagram, as you can see over here. You can reach me on email or Facebook, so you can reach out anywhere, right? You can just reach out to me and I will help you personally to start generating results. So you can ask me questions about affiliate marketing, about how to get started, about how to run Google Ads and get results, but most importantly, sustainable results. I'm not talking only one day sale, I'm talking about every single day, every single month, year after year, right? So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to click the like button or subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful tips, and you can reach out to me, links in the description below.